Suresh Raina is a name in the cricketing world which needs no introduction. With his amazing batting skill, wonderful bowling ability and extraordinary fielding agility, he has been one of the eminent all-rounder in Indian team. Due to his all-round contribution, Indian team has succeeded in winning many tournaments. Few of those are mentioned in this video. The first quality of Suresh Raina is he is very multi-talented. Suresh Raina cemented his position as an irreplaceable all-rounder in the team with his all-round performance and delivered whenever required by the team. Due to his multi-talented ability, he was preferred choice for an all-rounder. His inclusion provided flexibility to the team to go for an additional batsman when the pitch demanded. Drawing parallels to life, are you multi-talented enough to be valuable to your team and family? Suresh Raina shows us that we have to develop a multi-talented approach in life to become valuable to our team and family. A multi-skilled person is always pursued and respected. Hence, develop abilities wherein you are able to help others in multiple ways. Imagine you becoming irreplaceable in your team and loved in your family. Isn't it a great feeling? The second thing which we can learn from Suresh Raina is he is a fighter. Raina is being known as a man of comebacks. The comeback is by no means an easy task. After you have been dropped from the team, one has to work harder and longer to earn the place back in the team. Raina has done comeback so many times in the Indian team, and every time he has earned it through his grit and hard work. In real life, when we are down and out, how many of us have the fighter attitude to be back in the game? Why do we surrender? Because comeback from failure is always difficult and we always intend to take the easy way out. We never give it all, otherwise there is nothing that we cannot achieve. The third thing which we can learn from Suresh Raina is he is very energetic. Raina was always a live wire on the field. Whenever batsmen hit the ball towards him, they would think twice before taking the run, as he is so agile and energetic and accurate in his throwing. His energy will lift the bowler's performance and they would be able to bowl tight line as they get support from Raina. Energy is contagious. How are you in team and family? Are you lazy and lousy or energetic and agile? Does it happen that when you enter a party or function, the environment lights up? We need to be energetic in life, as that will lead to happiness and good health. How do you get the energy? Well, the answer is simple. Just love the things that you are doing and always make people around you happy. Try it, I am sure you will know what I am saying. The fourth thing which we can learn from Suresh Raina is that he does a lot of charity. Suresh Raina has started a charity in the name of his daughter Gracia Raina to help underprivileged mothers in India. This charity helps in imparting awareness about pregnancy, post-birth care and nutritional needs for both mother and baby. Charity is very important to life and everyone must help the underprivileged in their capacity. I am sure most of you did not know that Raina charity before this article. Charity should never be disclosed. Charity is to be done silently and never to be boasted about. Suresh Raina is an institute in himself and based on his personality and his skills has provided a way of leading life. Suresh Raina is an institute in himself and his personality and his skills has provided many a way of leading a life.